Now, let's move to problem number 3 and how we solve it. Federal deadlines are hard stops. 1 minute late means automatic disqualification. No exceptions, no appeal. Here's exactly how Sambid protects you. A 3-stage automated alert system runs on every single opportunity. 7 days out, an email, so you can plan your team's time. 24 hours out, an email plus a push notification, your final review window. 1 hour out, a push to every device you're logged into, plus a badge right inside the app, your last chance. If the deadline still passes, the opportunity gets flagged, expired, do not submit, and pulled out of your active pipeline automatically. To miss a deadline with Sambid, you'd have to ignore 3 separate alerts on purpose, and I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this actually works. Federal deadlines are hard stops. 1 minute late means automatic disqualification. No exceptions, no appeal. How do you protect yourself from that? You don't do it manually. You can't. You're too busy running the business. So let me walk you through exactly how Sambid handles this, piece by piece. First, email alerts. 1 toggle, on or off, and when it's on, matching contracts and their deadlines land straight in your inbox. Next, alert frequency. You get 3 choices here. Real time, that's an instant email the second a match is found. That one's a Pro Plus feature. Daily digest, 1 consolidated email every morning instead of getting pinged all day. Or weekly digest, 1 email a week with everything new. You pick whichever pace fits how you actually work. Now here's the part that really matters for deadlines specifically. The deadline alert window. You choose how far out you want your first warning. 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days before a deadline hits. And it doesn't stop at just that 1 alert. Once you're inside that window, you also automatically get hourly reminders once you're down to the final 24 hours, and then 3 separate urgent alerts in the very last hour before the deadline. So it's not 1 email and hope you saw it. It's an escalating sequence that gets louder the closer you get. Then, push notifications. Turn this on, and you get notified the instant a new matching contract is found, even if the browser tab is completely closed. Your browser will ask for permission once, and you can turn it off anytime. And at the bottom, 1 button, Save Email Preferences, and every setting you just picked is locked in immediately. That's the whole system. You set your window once, 15, 30, 60, or 90 days, and from that point forward, Sambid escalates automatically as the deadline gets closer, right up to the final hour, across email and push, so missing a deadline stops being an accident. And here's exactly where all of that lives. This is the notification settings page right inside your dashboard, under Settings, then Notifications. Everything I just walked you through, the email toggle, the frequency options, the deadline window, push notifications, it's all right here on this one screen. Now, before I go, I want to say something real quick, and I mean this. My whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you today, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it costs you nothing. And drop a comment below. Tell me what's the biggest pain point you're facing right now trying to win federal contracts, or what confused you in this video. I read every single comment, and your answers are what decide which problem I cover next. Because we've still got a lot more of these 17 problems to go through together, and I don't want you to miss a single one.